Reliance Jio has launched a new offer for its Jio phone customers. The company has announced 300 free minutes for talk time. Notably, this announcement comes at that time when India is fighting against COVID-19 pandemic. The latest initiative has been designed to help its 100 million Jio phone customers during the COVID-19 pandemic. The telecom operator said that Jio phone users will get 300 minutes every month for outgoing calls, which means 10 minutes every day for all calls who are not recharging their mobile numbers. Which means this facility or this services has been launched for all users who are unable or who are not recharging their mobile numbers during the pandemic. Apart from this offer, the company has announced that JioPhone users who are recharging with Rs 75 plan will get additional Rs 75 plan for free. However, there is a catch. The offer is not valid on annual plan of JioPhone, which means newly launched plan of Rs 749 does not come under the same segment. All JioPhone plans that come under buy one get one offer. The company offers 4 plans under the same segment. These plans are priced at Rs 75, 125, 155 and 185 respectively. The Rs 75 plan ships 0.1 GB data, 50 messages, unlimited calling and free access to Jio app for 28 days. While Rs 25 plan ships 0.5 GB data per day, 300 messages, unlimited calling, free subscription to Jio app for again 28 days. Then there is a pack of Rs 155 which provides 1 GB of data every day, 100 messages, unlimited calling and Jio apps for the same period. Guys, you will be surprised to know that the company has listed this plan in the best seller category, which means this plan is famous among users. Lastly, there is a plan of Rs 185 which ships 2 GB of data per day for 28 days. It includes 100 messages, unlimited calling and free access to Jio apps. This pack offers a good amount of data, but it is not famous due to lack of the validity. So now I'll tell you how it will benefit Jio phone customers. It is worth mentioning that Reliance Jio launched this offer under its Reliance Foundation to help its customers so that they can remain connected during the COVID-19. However, we believe the company wants to retain its Jio phone customer during this time, when Airtel has become very aggressive and launched door-to-door SIM services. Furthermore, we believe that after this offer, other telecom operators might launch similar offers for their customers. As we all know that Reliance Jio played an important role in increasing the 4G presence in the country. Notably, Reliance Jio started its operation in 2016 and now it is offering 4G services to 426 million users in India. The telecom company only offers 4G service in the country. The telecom operator added 52 million users in less than 3 months of its operations. Besides, the company helped India to increase its overall 4G user base to 70 million by the end of 2016 as per Nokia MBIT Index report. According to the report, the data traffic was 13% in December 2016, which has been increased to 99% in 2020. The report added the metro payload only stand at 9%. Besides, the report added that 3G contribution has been decreased sharply in 5 years. Apart from that, the report added that 4G adoption has been increased due to affordable smartphones in India. The report said that 4G smartphone penetration was only 12% in 2016. However, in 2020, the number was grown to 77%. It all because of Reliance Jio and affordable smartphones launched in the country. It said that the average data traffic was increased to 68% in 2018, which is the highest in the 5 years. Nokia also added the rural area also contributed to the increasing demand. In addition, the report stated that 150 million smartphones were shipped last year and all are affordable 4G smartphones. It is worth mentioning that affordable smartphone and cheap data prices launched by Reliance Jio have increased the demand of 4G penetration in India. In addition, digitization in the sector is expected to increase the consumption of 4G data vouchers and overall services in the coming years. So guys, that's all from our side today. Keep watching Gizbot and thank you so much.